In this video, how to download the Windows 11 H2 ISO and install it on a test computer. First, go to the Windows Insider Preview Downloads page. As you can see, to access this page, you need to be a member of the Windows Insider program. To register, visit the Insider Program registration site. You will need to sign in using a Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one. Select the checkbox and click Register Now. You are now registered in the Windows Insider program. On the download page, log in using the account you enrolled in the Insider program with. Once logged in, you can download the ISO of the Windows Insider Preview. Select an edition to download. The Release Preview channel provides advanced quality updates and key features of the upcoming Windows version, making it the most stable channel for insiders. The Beta channel is designed for early adopters and IT professionals who need more reliable updates, but still want to test features for an upcoming Windows release. The Dev channel delivers the latest work-in-progress code directly from engineers, ideal for highly technical users who want to see features first but can tolerate significant bugs and instability. The Canary channel is the most experimental channel, offering hot-off-the-presses builds that are highly unstable and may not match any specific future release. At this moment, Windows 11 H2 is available through the Release Preview channel. Once the download is complete, you can use the ISO to create a USB installation media. For instance, I will use Rufus to create a USB boot device. Turn on the test computer and boot from the USB boot drive. Follow the installation process as usual. As you can see, Windows 11 H2 is installed and ready for testing. Alternatively, if you're using Windows 11 H2, you can upgrade directly by joining the device into the Windows Insider program. Before you begin, Make sure you have installed all the latest updates for your Windows 11 24H2. Click on the Windows Insider program in the settings. First, enable the optional diagnostic data. Once done, go back to Windows Update and enroll in the Windows Insider program. You will need a Microsoft account to join the program. If you don't have one, you can create a new account. In most cases, select Microsoft account to sign in using your Hotmail or Outlook.com account. Select the Release Preview option and click Continue. Follow the instructions and restart the computer. Once the computer restarts, go to Windows Update. You can check if the computer is enrolled to the Insider program. Enable the option, get the latest updates as soon as they're available, and check for updates to install the latest update for version 24H2. Restart the computer one more time. Once the device has been updated, the option to upgrade to version 25H2 will become available in Windows Update. As you can see, the system has been upgraded to Windows 11 25H2 without any data loss. After the computer has been upgraded to version 25H2, it's recommended to opt out of the program. Enable the toggle switch for Unenroll this device when the next version of Windows releases. Once you complete these steps, the device will automatically unenroll from the Windows Insider program when the feature update is officially released. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.